Guys,
I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
uy, nangyari, ba't may patay?
I wanna be on the cover of Forbes
My goodness.
smiling next to Oprah.
Sayang, malaki pa naman. Siguro naipit to.
Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see
May
my
patay tayo, idol,
name in
isa.
shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. You check your wish list. I'd probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady,